Hi, this is Goldfarb. Thank you very much for joining me here today. Today I'm going to be talking about how house dust mite and how you can prevent its detrimental effects on your health. A runny nose, itchy red eyes, nasal congestion, a swollen throat, coughing, and sneezing are common symptoms of an allergic reaction. And some people may also experience facial pressure, pain around the face, swollen or blue color circles under the eyes. Many people brush off these allergic reactions thinking that it's a change in weather or the common cold. However, most common causes of allergies and their symptoms are airborne allergens, including house dust mite. House dust mites are microscopic creatures, only about 0.4 millimeters in length, and they live where humans live because their preferred food source is dander, the flakes of dead skin that we and our pets shed off from our bodies. Now, dust mites are closely related to ticks and spiders, and they thrive in warm, humid environments. Upholstered furniture, bedding, curtains, carpeting are where you will find most house dust mite, even though the naked eye cannot see them because they're so small. Now, dust mite allergies are often referred to as house dust allergies, despite the cause of the allergy being the droppings of the dust mites. House dust mites produce about 20 pellets, fecal pellets per day. These are pellets about the size of a pollen grain, and we are exposed to house dust mite droppings when the tiny particles of feces attach to dust and become airborne. And without realizing it, we breathe in these particles and introduce allergens into our upper airways or our nose, sinuses, and our throat. The dust mite droppings are tiny. Consider the size of the dust mite and imagine how small their droppings are. Now, due to their very small size, they are very easy to inhale after they attach to dust and become airborne. Another contributing factor to dust mite allergies is dust mite's skeleton, their exoskeleton, which they shed through various stages of their life. Most adults with dust mite allergies develops during childhood or adolescence, with symptoms manifesting usually before the age of 20. Some of the allergic symptoms that have been linked to house dust mites include allergic asthma, allergic rhinoconjunctivitis, atopic dermatitis, which is the most common form of eczema. And asthmatic people who are also allergic to house dust mites have an increased risk of severe asthma attacks, which involve severe shortness of breath, chest tightness, coughing, wheezing, and a low peak expiratory flow readings. Allergic rhinoconjunctivitis in people allergic to dust mites refers to problems that occur in the nose and eyes. Symptoms include sneezing, itchy nose, runny nose, blocked nose, and itchy and watery eyes. And the condition is also often referred to as hay fever. A study revealed that house dust mite allergens are the most relevant airborne allergens for atopic dermatitis, eczema, which cause the skin to become itchy, dry, and sore. People with atopic dermatitis have altered or compromised skin barrier function, and this makes it easier for airborne allergens such as dust mites to penetrate the skin, interact with the local immune cells, and trigger hypersensitivity and allergic reactions. The severity will vary between people. While some may only have a patch of dry, cracked skin, others may experience inflamed skin all over their body. To determine whether you have a house dust mite allergy, you may visit a doctor, an allergy specialist, for an allergy skin or antibody blood test. And if you are positively diagnosed, your doctor may recommend medications or immunotherapy to help desensitize your immune system to this allergen, because it is really found almost everywhere. Lifestyle changes can also help you avoid exposure as much as possible to house dust mites, and these are, first of all, you want to use mattress, pillow, and bed protective covers. Very important. You can purchase good allergy-proof protective covers made from tight fabrics that prevent dust mites from passing through the mattress, blankets, or pillows. Since the dust mites in the pillow covers or mattresses will have little or no access to dander, their food source, they will slowly die and drastically reduce in numbers when you have these coverings on your beds and all your bedding. Also, you want to wash your bedding once a week. washing all bedding in water at least 60 degrees Celsius, which is 130 degrees Fahrenheit. These temperatures will kill the dust mites and will remove allergens. Then thoroughly dry them in a dryer whenever possible. You also want to use easy-to-use covers, pillowcase covers, mattress covers, duvet covers that are easy to put on and remove so that you will not be put off by the hard work to do this every single week. You also want to keep humidity levels low. Dust mites need hydration to thrive, so high humidity is a perfect thriving ground for them. Use an air conditioner or dehumidifier in your room where you sleep to reduce humidity. Also, you want to regularly use a special vacuum cleaner for your carpets. The standard vacuum cleaner helps remove surface dust, but it can't reach the house dust mite and their allergens found inside the rug. Therefore, you need a special vacuum cleaner, such as a Kirby home cleaning system, to help reach them. It is expensive, but it's definitely worth it. It also has a special filter to prevent house dust mite leaks from the vacuum cleaner, bag. And if you suffer from allergies, avoid doing the vacuuming and stay out of the room for at least an hour after vacuuming is done, just to be on the safe side. You also want to buy washable upholstery covers. Anything upholstered should be easy to remove and wash. Also in children's room, you want to keep stuffed animals to a minimum and wash them regularly. If your child sleeps with them, wash them more frequently and dry them thoroughly, preferably in the sun. If you have little sunshine where you live, then dry them thoroughly in a dryer. You also want to remove dust around the house with wet rags and mops. This helps remove the dust and not just move it from one place to another. So you want to use wet mops to get rid of the dust. Also, you want to keep your house orderly and minimally designed, especially your bedroom. The more furniture, the more dust. Dust mites are found in the dust, so keep your house clutter-free and with as little furniture as possible. You also want to go for tiled flooring instead of wall-to-wall carpeting. Carpeting is a great place for dust mites to thrive. Avoid them whenever possible, or use small, loose carpets that you can easily clean. Also, you want to avoid curtains. Instead, go for external sunshades or blinds. Also, you want to clean your air conditioning filters regularly. Do this every 3 months under running hot water and cleaning with a scouring pad to get rid of all of the dust that is accumulated there. You can also take supplements that help boost immunity. I made a separate video on boosting immunity, which you can see in the link below this video, in the description of this video. And that's it. Basically, you can control dust mite allergy with simple lifestyle changes that reduce exposure to the dust mite and keep you and your family healthier in the process. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please also subscribe to my channel if you like this type of content, and visit my website, thegorilladiet.com, to help you move your health and wellness to a better place for you. Thank you very much for joining.